Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yeah, it's Fiesta Day. What are you running away from?
I'm busy. I'm shooting the food.
Anyway, guys, check this out. If I can get it switched.
Here. See, I can hold it.
How you get it?
Hi guys. So we have christening in christening. Sorry guys, because it's been 2 nights that I've not been sleeping good because I don't know, just
With all the noise.
yeah, the noise is the sounds here, it's very loud and we can hardly sleep. So it's been 2 nights now that I don't have good sleep. So right now we're preparing foods over here, and we have some roasted pig. So it's covered with paper. Right now we're gonna open it when the priest is here. We're gonna have blessings on our chicken farm.
Yeah.
Look at that.
GMV Enterprise will be official.
Look at that, guys. There's more foods there, and we have also some desserts here. We have some desserts, and we set up some table inside. We transfer our couch, then we transfer it outside. I'm so lost today. Yeah, I'm so lost. I don't know what. And this one, it's worth 10,000 pesos, this roasted pig. So we're gonna show you later what's inside there, a whole pig. So let's go out because it's... Bring my phone please. So we have also some tables here set up outside in our terrace. So some of our visitors can sit down here. Look at that. And right now we're waiting for the priest to be here because we have a mass there in the church in our community. So it be almost done. So we're gonna prepare and we're gonna go to the cook in a few minutes, and let's see what happens. And right now I'm so excited and also so busy. I woke up around 3 a.m. in the morning and preparing some of the foods, and also my uncles and aunties, they are helping me a lot. And we have a decoration here in the other side. That's the tarpaulin. We put Happy Fiesta, Señor San Juan Bautista. So that's our patron here in our barangay. So we also have some tables here at the other side. We're gonna put some more foods for
Buffet style.
yeah, it's a buffet style, and it be more visitors later to be here, and we're gonna be very busy. And we have some small decoration balloons at the back, and it's just so, I know it's we're very tired, but it's really worth it, right, B?
Yeah.
Because we're able to share our blessings to other people, and also we have blessings on our chicken farm finally, because supposedly it be last year, but it's like we have some misunderstanding last time. So hopefully this time it will be successful, right? Daddy? And we're excited for that. And also we're excited because some of our visitors, my husband's friends, will be coming here today, and I know that he's very excited for that. And also downstairs, I'm gonna show you guys what they're doing downstairs. We're waiting for the priest to be here. I'm gonna show you what they're doing downstairs. So we're gonna show you downstairs what they're doing. Nga na lang, wala pa ga ikaw sa mukan kay kuan nagkuan to video. So see what happened guys here. So I'm gonna switch over the camera. So there's a lot of meat here. Some pork, that's the pig of my mama. And they already slice it into pieces, and that's my uncle there. They're helping me a lot in cooking. So there's more vegetables there. They already slice some of the vegetables. Tayo basyon tayo pabutang na palihog dito. Wala ba na space tayo? Nangita dito. The kids. That's my relative. And they've been washing dishes in the side here. And there's more foods in the other side. So we have a lots of foods because that pig that my mama got, it's like 76 kilo for the whole pig. 76 kilo for the whole pig. So it's very many. And we're gonna cook more foods today. They're not finished because they start cooking around 1 a.m. this morning. It's very early. Oo. Palihog ko anang nasa lamisa dayje na isapin-sapin ba palihog ko kanang sapin-sapin tatanan. Napin. Nakaari nun ka. And let's go to the other side. Sulod saya. Usara? Naibo, wala po ko na nung baling. Ako na pong ipangkuwanta na. Gawin ko ka ba? Oh, madala rin ni mo? Oh, salamat. Kaunsa! So let's walk to the other side, guys, in our chicken coop. Because we also put some decoration, a simple decoration. I'm gonna walk down there in the coop, babe. Oh, it's so nice because the weather today is good because yesterday it's very cloudy. I thought that it will be rain today because there's a low pressure in the other side. I think in Luzon, somewhere in Luzon, there's the typhoon will be hit there. I'm not sure if it's a typhoon, but say it's a low pressure. So look at that, guys. We have that G&V Enterprise blessings. So the priest will be here soon. So that's our roaster, one of our roaster there. So this is it, guys. Hopefully it will be successful. Oh, and they roast some pig on here. This is our pig, roasted pig. This is how they cook. This is how they cook roasted pig. Look at that. Wow, it's so big. That's one of my mama's pig that we bought. That's the roasted pig, guys. It's not cooked yet. It takes about pila ka oras na ya maluto. It takes about 3 hours to cook that whole pig. Sa roasted pig. Oh, that's so good. So the one we have inside, we bought it in Valle Hermoso. It's already cooked. But this one, we let someone to cook it. That's my mama's pig. So we let someone cook it because we have a lot of visitors today. So we have 2 roasted pig today. So look at that, guys. It be many people can eat that too. And they also season inside in that pig. And they tie the intestine, I think the stomach, they tie it and because there's some vegetables inside seasoning, so they season inside the pig, then they tie it up. Look at that, guys. So big. I think pila ni ka kilo, Willie? 65 kilo for that pig. For the whole pig, it's 65 kilo. Oh, look at that. So this is where they roast the pig at the bottom of the mango tree because this is not so hot in this side here. Namahaw na mo dong? So that's it, guys, how they cook the roasted pig. So it takes about 3 hours to cook that pig. So let's go back inside. Let's go back to the house. So one of our subscriber, our friend Sir Mike and his family will be coming here also this afternoon. We're looking forward in that. Oh, look at that. Hopefully it won't be rain today because it's okay if it's rain in the afternoon because it's the cooking is finished, but hopefully the weather stays good all day. I'm gonna go back inside because I'm gonna check something. So it's been 2 nights now that we have a disco here. They have that loud sounds, the loud music. So last night we have an enjoyable time with my uncle here. We have we dance here in our house because our sounds is very loud too, and it's nice. So we have like a family gathering here last night, and all of my uncles are, they really enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also my husband dance. Look at that. So hot. We need to put the fan here. How do we eat, Daddy? So hot. So we transfer this couch here, this side, so that more people can sit outside because they prepare to sit outside instead inside. So look at that, guys. So the priest is still not here yet. Where did you put?
I had it in the canister, and I can't get down low enough to look to see what's in that little shelf. I think it's in there.
You hold the camera. I switch over.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Grace gave you the tour and everything. I'm sure she showed you that GMV Enterprise is going to be official today, if all goes well. And as you can see, we've got everything prepared outside and inside. It's going to be a busy day today and another long night. And this only happens once a year, and I'm glad of it because I'm feeling the effects. 2 nights with limited sleep. You know, I need at least my 3 to 4 hours, and I've not been getting that. In my pocket.
I need to do
You told me to get it, so I
need
did.
to do some video on my phone.
But anyway, guys, thank you again. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Maybe we have something else pop up. Okay, guys, let's make it official. This is during the blessing we're having. Look like the chickens are enjoying. The priest is doing his thing.
Sa panulay, nunuan sa kanila. Maghimaya ka, Maria, sa Grasya, ang Ginoo manakan mo. Bulahan ikaw sa bayang tanan, bulahan ang
And guys, this makes it official.
Santa Maria, inahan ka sa Diyos. Irampo mo kami mga makasasala.
Hey guys, you can't go out.
Maya kanahan ka ang Espiritu Santo.
They're trying to escape. That was nice and quiet, wasn't it? For chickens. Now the house renovations got the blessings too. This is a Philippine cultural thing, and I'm not negative on it. It's probably a good thing. Hey, big guy. Yeah, I've got a few roosters running free. And the van's even getting blessed. What do you think about that now? It needs a lot of blessings. Okay, guys. That's it for now. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you again.